Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix black screen or game freezing after launch and we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step or verify integrity of game files. Content corrupted or missing game files are a frequent cause of launch issues. To fix this, open your Steam client, navigate to your library, right-click on Counter-Strike and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Installed Files tab and click on to verify integrity of game files. Steam will then scan all game files and automatically download any that are corrupted or missing, which can take several minutes depending on your system and internet speed.
Step update graphics drivers and operating system content. Outdated graphics drivers are a primary cause of black screens and game freezing. Ensure your good drivers are up to date by visiting the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and or Intel, and downloading the latest drivers specific to your model. Perform a clean installation of these drivers. If possible, additionally, make sure your Windows operating system is fully updated, as those updates often include critical bug fixes and performance improvements that can affect game compatibility. Step B. Adjust launch options and compatibility settings. Content-specific launch options can resolve startup conflicts in Steam. Right-click on Counter-Strike in your library, select Properties, and under the General tab, find Launch Options. Try adding Vulkan if you suspect directs his use or safe to launch with minimal settings. You can also try Navid High to skip the intro video and prioritize the game process. Additionally, navigate to the executable, usually program files. Steam Maps Common Counter-Strike Global Offensive Game Windows 6. Right-click it, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. Step Disable overlays and background applications. Content overlays from applications like Steam, Discord, DeForce Experience, NVIDIA or Radeon software and can interfere with SIS rendering process, leading to black screens or freezes. Disable the Steam overlay by going to SIS Properties in Steam, then the General, and on checking Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. For other applications, access their respective settings and disable any in-game overlays. Furthermore, close all unnecessary background applications that consume significant system resources or might conflict with the game, such as web browsers, video streaming apps, or antivirus software's real-time scanning features. Step Reinstall and check system resources content. If all else fails, the clean reinstallation of Counter-Strike might be necessary to eliminate any deeply embedded corrupted files or settings to uninstall via Steam, then manually delete any remaining folders usually found in program files. Steam apps summon after a system restart. Reinstall the game. Also ensure your system meets SIS minimum requirements for RAM 2 and to check your task manager crucifix during launch to monitor resource usage. High RAM or disk usage from non-processes could indicate other system conflicts or bottlenecks.